It's one of those words that can either turn up in the comprehension, in the verbal reasoning, or the sort of the straight down the line vocabulary kind of questions. Flight can mean a flight of stairs. There are. That means a whole load of stairs that go up. Goodness knows why it's called a flight. It could be to leave, in the sense like the flight of what do you call people that leave somewhere? Refugees, from country A to country B. They're moving, usually lots of them, in mass in one direction. Our flight, flap, flap, that's an easy one, isn't it? Good job I don't like dictionaries. Right, stairs. To leave usually one country to another, and then little birdies going blub, 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 blub. But you do better. See you soon. Bye bye.